Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I just want to quickly talk to you about going and getting some simple landscape lighting stakes to help nail down your wire in any of your garden bed areas or any areas that you might be burying wire and you want to make sure that it doesn't come up. Just go get some simple landscape lighting stakes. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. Yes, when it comes time to burying your wire, just creating a simple trench. Again, you don't have to go super deep because it's just low voltage wire, but just making your life a little easier by creating a trench. If you can get a tool, something like this, works really well to help push that wire down nice and deep into the ground. And then if you need to, just as an extra measure, just some landscape staples is not a bad idea to throw on the wire in a couple different places just to make sure it doesn't come up, because if you go and put mulch down on this at a later date and you're raking that in, sometimes you can snag the wire. A simple landscape staple will help keep that wire down so that you're not pulling up those wires. The advantage is if you're using good connectors, you don't have to worry about those pulling apart anyway, but if you want to help keep that wire buried, landscape staples is a really easy way to do that. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape, and more importantly, how to go and easily bury your landscape lighting wire using what we call our two-pronged wire poker. Now, in all honesty, I don't even really know what this is called, but you can go and get this at any home improvement store in the garden aisle. It's basically a long metal stick with two prongs on the end that's great for pushing the wire a little bit deeper in the ground. So as you go and make your cuts or make your slits in the ground to get that wire in, you can use this two-pronged wire poker, that we'll call it, to just go and push that wire a little bit deeper into the ground to make sure it doesn't come up. Between using that and some extra landscape lighting stakes, just to make sure, landscape lighting staples, just to make sure that wire doesn't come up. It's a great way to go and do this, and I urge any of you that know what this is called to please email me and send me the details of it. But our two-pronged wire poker is a great way to get that wire in the ground. But if you need more help with your landscape lighting project, be sure to go and access our free consultation videos that you can get at lightingdoctor.ca, or send me pictures of your property and we're going to help you to determine what's going to be the best way to tackle your landscape lighting project. I want to show you guys the rubber mallets that we use for helping secure our landscape lighting. This is something you want to use to go and make sure that you're getting your ground stakes for your landscape lights into the ground as solid as possible so that you don't find them tilting over and breaking down the road. Go and get a rubber mallet to help you with your landscape lighting project. And one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how do I drill underneath the sidewalk? Go and get a simple bulb planter drill. You can get it on Amazon.com. It's about a $20 bit, but it's a simple and easy way to get wire under any sidewalk. Or go to YouTube and search Lighting Doctor, how to tunnel under a sidewalk, for more great tips. One of probably the most important tools that you can get for burying your landscape lighting wire is just a simple flat spaded shovel for making sure you get that wire nice and deep in the ground. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.